And there you go, there you have it. This is the basic skincare routine. This is the proper order of how you should apply your products and some of the products that I love and recommend. I'm gonna make this super simple with you, so let's start with cleansers. Cleansers, these are two of the cleansers that I have been loving over the last year. I have the JLo, this is That Hit Single, and then this one is by VT Cosmetics. I love these for different reasons, but this one is an oil cleanser. It has BHA and AHA. This one is going to be just really soothing and hydrating, and it's really great at getting makeup off as well. Now, the trick is very simple, very basic. Always do a double cleanse. So you're going to cleanse twice. No matter what face wash you use, cleanse twice. It's going to remove all of the debris, any residual makeup oil or the environment. So 2 cleanses. And then also you want to make sure that your cleansers do not foam. If you have a foaming agent in your cleanser, that means it gets really bubbly and really foamy. That means that it has ingredients in there that are sulfates, and those are going to dry your skin and strip away that natural oil production. So just watch for products that don't have sulfates, and these are 2 that I highly recommend. Once you move on from cleanser, the next step is using a toner. These are a couple toners that I love. Of course, Mint Pear is my own brand. I highly recommend Mint Pear's toner because there won't be any synthetic fragrance, harsh chemicals. It's going to be really great for your skin. And another one that I'm loving is Point of View. You've seen me use this one. These are great toners. The reason why you use a toner is to remove any of that residual cleanser that might still be on your skin, but also to restore and reset your pH balance so that your skin is properly producing oil and it's back to its normal pH levels and not too dried out from the cleanser and the hot water as you cleansed your face. I'm going to actually put this one on as we talk. I'm going to apply my products with you today as well. And I'm just using a little cotton round for my toner. That is what I prefer. Sometimes you see toners in like a spray mist. It really depends on the bottle. The ones that I have here are really great if you use them on a cotton round. You automatically feel your skin coming back to life after you put on a toner, after you've cleansed your skin. You can really feel that chemistry and your skin just getting rebalanced. After your toner, we are talking about serums. I get so many questions about serums. What is a serum? Why do you use a serum, right? So serums are just a highly, highly concentrated version of a moisturizer. They're going to be more expensive, but that's because they are more concentrated, and that means that you need to use a lot less than you would use of your moisturizer, which hypothetically means they should last a little bit longer. So you should be using an appropriate amount. Typically what you would use is about 2 little droppers. So just little pearl-sized drops in the appropriate area. Now the type of serum that you're going to use really depends on your skin. If you are someone that is dealing with acne or blemishes, then using a vitamin C serum, I have one here from Mint Pear. This is the vitamin C serum. This one is really great for any blemishes, blackheads, minimizing pores, brightening your skin. This one is just really going to go in and brighten your skin and help slough off dead skin cells, which helps with acne. Now, if you're looking for something that is going to hydrate your skin, there are a couple here that I have that are really great. And then also I have the collagen from Mint Pear, which is going to be so great for anti-aging. So all you need is just a couple drops of these. I'm going to show you what it's like here. This routine is great for AM and PM. It's a basic routine, so if you can stick to this, you're going to be well off. So you can follow this, guide this, AM and PM, your skin is going to love you. So as you can see, I just barely put on just enough of that serum to soak into those areas that I need. You can extend that onto your neck, of course. And then the next step is using a moisturizer. So I have a couple moisturizer options that I really love here too. So I have JLo Beauty's. This is that Blockbuster. I go through this one so much. This one ends up in my empty pile every single month. I should actually start saving the empties so that I can prove. I think this one is actually empty. No lie. I can't even use this one today because I need a replacement, but I really love this one. And you've seen me use this one as well. This is really great because it's super hydrating. This is a whipped moisturizer. So next, after your serum, you go in with a moisturizer because you need that extra hydration to keep your skin in check. That's really going to make a difference. If you're skipping moisturizer, your skin is just working so hard to produce oil throughout the day. And as a master esthetician, I can tell you that you're really going to see a difference in just a couple weeks if you follow this routine. Anytime I put on my skincare, I automatically just see my skin bounce back. My skin is like happy. It's like, thank you. Maybe that's every master esthetician, but I feel like we're all just like, oh, my skin is so happy. Thank you for giving me love. Give me the moisture. Even if you have oily skin, you really want to use this much product. I promise you. This is how you are going to maintain that youthful, beautiful, bouncy looking skin, your collagen production, everything as you age. You have to really take care of your skin. The next step is eye cream, and this step is so important. Even if you are in your 20s, you really need to take care of that under eye area because it is the most delicate part of your skin. So I just want to say, when you apply your eye cream, you can see I'm using my ring finger here very gently. I'm just tapping and blending that in. I'm not tugging, I'm not pulling, because this is the thinnest part of skin on your face, and there's really nothing you can do to repair that area once you get that aging. So really take care of that under eye area. I even extend my eye cream up above my eye, kind of into my brow, if I have any extra product. Now, the final step in your AM skincare routine would be to use an SPF. This is a sunscreen. I use this one all the time. It even works really well underneath your makeup. So any of these products that I've used today, I'll try to link those below or in the YouTube shop for you. But this one is really great because it doesn't have that white cast. And even if you wanted to wear makeup, you can easily put this underneath your makeup. With this routine, let this soak in about 5 minutes before you apply your makeup. Your makeup is going to go on so smoothly, but that's even if you want to wear makeup, because this routine is really meant to get your skin into the health that you don't even need makeup. So that's an option for you. If you love makeup, wear makeup. But if not, this skincare routine, both AM and PM, is going to get you to that perfect, beautiful, flawless looking skin. And there you go, there you have it. This is the basic skincare routine. This is the proper order of how you should apply your products and some of the products that I love and recommend. So as you look for skincare products, if you use these products that I recommend, I'll try to put links for these in the description below, or if I can link these in YouTube shop, I'll do that as well. But it's just really important that there are a few different things that you look for when you're shopping for products. Just make sure that you're not getting any synthetic fragrance, any harsh chemicals, any sulfates, any parabens, any dyes, and of course we don't want anything that's tested on animals. So if you see that cruelty-free Leaping Bunny certification like Mint Pear has, then you're in good hands. If you have any questions about any of this, the routine, the products that I used, or the technique, just leave a comment below, because I'm here, your online esthetician bestie, and I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Take care.